Sometimes Mother Nature's fury takes the form of her fierce and untamed creatures. Join us as we uncover their most dramatic moments. Oh my god, it looks like a scene from a horror movie. I bet this isn't the fish he wanted to catch.
Well, puts an end to my tarpon fishing. Hey.
We have another angry alligator here. Alligator's speed on land is unbelievable. It'd want to take it back all the fish from this man. The fact that no one greeted this leopard made him very unhappy. But after that, hopefully no one gets hurt. Terrifying footage shows the strength of a bear, which increased with its level of range. I hold my breath when the bear's chasing the cameraman's car like that. Running is the best choice in this situation. Why do they have such courage to tease this huge wild buffalo? It's not a funny game. The car's adventure takes an unexpected turn as it meets the jungle giant. With its formidable two horns, the giant attempts to knock the car over, but fortunately, it doesn't succeed. The rhino suddenly spots the car and without warning charges towards it. With its massive horn capable of piercing through just about anything, it's a tense moment. These cyclists had some unexpected company as kangaroos hopped along with them on their ride. One of the kangaroos got a little too excited. While waiting at the red light, the driver got quite a surprise when the horse-drawn carriage suddenly bumped into their car. This horse seems to have been exploited too much, easily leading to this action. On a safari, two adult elephants aggressively confronted a car full of passengers, with one of them roaring and getting close. Fortunately, no one was harmed thanks to the skillful staff. The moose found the man's snowmobile interesting and just asked for a ride. But it's a little bit rude, moose. Hey, this man took pictures without the moose's permission and also made it startled. No wonder the moose reacted like that. No doubt that wildlife photographers take lots of risks while working. Imagine an elephant rushes towards you like what's happening in this video. Passengers fled in a wild panic, and the poor bus's windshield was destroyed. So lucky that they could run out of the car before the elephant lifted the car up. Heart attack. A moose chooses two people nearby as the targets to play a game of tag with, but the tables turn. clearly scared by the leopard. Fortunately, the predator moved away from the tourists. It must be satisfied after seeing the terrified reactions. These lions were annoyed when a car of tourists parked next to them. That's right, how do you feel if someone ruins your nap? Being chased by dogs or goose is normal. Have you ever been chased by two enormous, intimidating rhinos? These people are standing too close to the bear's area just for taking pictures. If you're an animal lover, you must respect animals and not invade their territory. It reminds me of the Jumanji films. Despite adorable, harmless looking, no African wild animal has ever killed as many people as hippos. When the men wouldn't let this kangaroo play golf, it got angry and wanted to steal the golf clubs from him. This man seems to have reached the limit of this kangaroo's endurance, that it has to suppress its frustration with each kick.
Are you getting tired, Stuart?
Some days we're on the mood for wanting to destroy everything like this buffalo, especially on a Monday. After hard working, these workers just want to enjoy their meals in peace. But with this wild boar, he's ruined it. It looks like these individuals are playing and engaging with the black goat and having a great time. But beware, this irate black goat clearly relishes some rough play. Testing animals' patience isn't a good choice, but one can't bear the tease so much. How lucky! The keeper calmly handles the elephant. If not, what happened next could not be imagined. Sheeps aren't always adorable as we think. There's sometimes they get angry without any reason like this. Luckily, he was only wearing a red hat, but the cow got so angry. This must have been the worst working day ever for this delivery man. Hey, this nanny is quite easy to lose patience. Skiers couldn't enjoy a relaxing day because the wild boar's attack, but bad luck falling from the sky. In a spine-tingling twist, a spooky fish made its debut in Japan. According to Japanese folklore, these eerie sea creatures show up before a big earthquake. I guess the man will have the psychological trauma about ostriches for his entire life. You're blocking my road, human! Get out of my way! This sheep's so savage, guys! Oh my goodness! Can someone quickly do something to prevent this cow injuring the people on the truck? Luckily, there were no injuries after that. No destruction of property will be punished. Sea lions must have decided no sharing the sands today. With a gentle nudge, the car's rear end came loose. The cameraman quickly lowered the car's curtain, hoping to prevent the cow from getting even more agitated. No, this is the wrong way. You need to get in line to race, clumsy horse. This elephant craves for food that he wants to ransack the whole car. This guy is truly hot-tempered.
I can't back up that fast, can I?
Oh shit.
Oh, it's the first time for me.
Shit, pissed him off.
When War for the Planet of the Apes movie is in the form of live action, they're like a wave attack to any stores and scare the locals. We're witnessing a rather disgruntled bull that's had enough of its owner, so it ran away. Then it chooses this mobile shop to vent its anger. Poor for them. In the dead of night, a group of dogs is wreaking havoc on a car. I'm so amazed to wonder how that can make them so angry like this. After teasing a man, a hilarious ostrich ran away like a playful kid. Look at its hilarious expression. Hiya! Is this monkey in the junior of Bruce Lee? Their man got so startled, of course. During a circus show, an elephant's frustration bubbled up, and it suddenly charged. Drama in the workplace can't be avoided, but we mustn't deal with violence. This woman was too careless when she thought that the goat had already been tied. A peaceful fishing moment was taken over by a sudden and painful attack from a silent goat. It's not a good day to fish. The fish get frustrated because the sound from the boat, so the fish decided to give a human a warning. You crossed the line, human. Look what you made me do. they resemble the two main characters from cartoons chasing each other. Take it serious, human. The way that the animal stretched out its neck was already a warning sign for this boy. Oh my! Without any specific reasons, this wild buffalo rushed into the road and attacked a guiltless car. These monkeys gradually become more aggressive when tourists don't give them food. Bad monkeys. Besides sightseeing, tourists accidentally also join an unwanted battle. I guess this is the last time they've been here. Just like someone bothering you while you're trying to eat, these sheep also couldn't stand this man. Even the soldiers who had gone through all the hardships were frightened by this ferocious goose. This cat thought that the owner stole its food, so it attacked him like it's his enemy. Even the owner was so surprised with the cat's bad behavior. That's why dogs are not allowed to roam free. Is this tiger going through rebellious puberty or what? It suddenly attacked this vet, leading a heart-stopping scene on TV.
How the train driver was able to stop the engine in time to save the helpless stray puppy is beyond what I can imagine. It is comparable to a wildlife action film with a happy ending. A raccoon got trapped in a mayonnaise jar, but was quickly freed by Toronto Wildlife Centre rescuers, allowing it to breathe again and feel relieved. A woman found a hedgehog in her pool, unable to escape. She rescued it and returned the spiky cutie to the garden where it belonged. A dog was rescued from an 8-meter-high basement, showcasing the dedication of local firefighters. They deserve the best things. In the wilds of Colorado, a heartwarming act was caught on video as an officer came to the aid of an elk entangled in swings. When firefighters found a dog still breathing on the floor in a burning building, they provided oxygen, ultimately saving it in the nick of time. A mother dog and her 3-week-old puppies sought help from a rescue team near a road. The team had to coax the scared puppies out of a pipe one by one and reunited them with their mother. Cheers erupt as Dasha and her 2 cubs find their way home to the African jungles, filled with hope and happiness. An eagle got caught in an ice trap 100 feet away from the closest land during a polar vortex. It was fortunate that people spotted it. Simon and Lowry rescued a scared male fox entangled in garden netting, offering comfort despite his fear and biting. Climb as high as you can, little monkey. Emotions run high as an elephant, after months of rehabilitation, steps back into the wild, a triumphant return. Elsa, a dog in distress, was rescued by Ray Animal Rescue. After receiving medical care and months of loving attention, she's now thriving in her forever home and even has an Instagram following. Arik, suffering from a severe skin condition due to mites, was treated by Oksana and her husband. In just a month, he transformed into a healthy, active boy. They even found a loving family eager to welcome him. In September 2016, Delilah was hit by a car and found by a vet tech at a hospital. After treatment, the vet tech adopted her. Now, despite her paralysis, Delilah is a joyful dog, and they are both happy together. After a snowy morning, rescuers from Pawstown Channel heard a faint meow on their way to exercises. They found a motionless, frozen kitten and quickly revived it, making it a lucky day for the little one. In the midst of a tragic flood, Swedish rescuers saved a scared black dog trapped in a destroyed house by reaching it through the roof. Thanks for their sacrifices. A man rescued an injured baby fawn abandoned by its mother in his backyard. His dog Mac became a caring foster parent, and they eventually reunited the fawn with its mother. ACDB channel rescuers stepped in to save a badger that had fallen into a hole, preventing a possible tragedy. Despite the sharp thorns, this man still helped two young hedgehogs who were stuck in an abandoned underground facility to move to a safe place. Handling problem animals can be complex. It's better to coexist and protect property. For the fox family, efforts were made to find them a new, safe habitat. This guy rescued baby squirrels after their tree was cut down. They were found without fur, and the rescuers gently placed them in a basket and took them to a shelter. Dev discovered a wounded cat on a street. He brought it to his office, gave it an injection, and intended to take it to the vet for treatment, hoping it would recover soon. A rescue team safely relocated baby raccoons found in a house. Their mother took them to a new den, reuniting the family in a secure place. A dog named Pedro was rescued from a scorching hot car outside a shopping center. The owner, who left him in the sweltering vehicle, was arrested. Officer John Kulagowski sailed to rescue a nearly submerged dog in a muddy lake, pulling it to safety. A heroic act. This little one couldn't stand the annoy from a parasite, so a man decided to help it. Tears of joy flow as a rescued baby monkey returns to the forest, embracing a new life. In an unusual rescue, a person saved hundreds of tree frog larvae from a drying puddle, relocating them to safety. It took a rescue team approximately 4 hours to safely rescue all the bunnies who trapped inside a house. Give awards to them. Enjoy the meaning of freedom. Disoriented owl, stunned by car headlights, found and protected by caring individuals. The fish is so lucky to meet this man. The storm took all away this tiny bird, but don't worry, here's its new mom. This raccoon will be afraid of water from now. The pleas of a young Bambi searching for its mother can melt the iciest hearts. These cries of a weak kitten might be the final sound of it if there wasn't this woman. A group of sailors saved 3 turtles and a bird entangled in a net. While they may not be completely fine, they've been given a second chance at life. All this field is yours, my skunks friends. Swimming time is over, sir.
Our journey through the chaos and beauty of animals on the Rampage has come to an end. Like, subscribe and stay connected with us for more awe-inspiring stories from the wild.